Here's how to recolor your shirt. Open your original ping file that's all one layer. Make your largest dimension 1000 pixels. Make sure your resolution is at 150. Here's method 1. Grab your color replacement brush located inside of the brush tool. Make the brush fairly large and select a color from your toolbar color picker at the bottom. Paint your new color over your existing shirt. It will not fill all the areas. You'll have to paint a few times. Please note this method is less accurate and you'll see splotches here or there. Method 2. Use Replace Color in the Image menu. Make sure to click the plus eyedropper. You'll need to use that to click around inside of your image, selecting color from your shirt. Make sure the thumbnail turns entirely white. Areas that are black should be clicked multiple times in the image. Move around until all color is selected. Now, select a new color from the result swatch at the bottom. It will not be an exact match. You'll have to move the hue slider. Don't hit OK yet. Use the plus eyedropper to select on regions that did not entirely fill. They'll show up more clearly once you've selected a new result color. At the bottom, adjust your lightness so that your shadows come through as more convincing textural appearances. Hit OK. Save as a ping file with a new name. Repeat for your other colors.